What's the meaning of amyl? Amyl. 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 Amyl.
Amyl refers to a group of 5 carbon organic compounds. The term is frequently used in reference to amyl nitrite, a drug that has been historically used as a medical treatment for angina pectoris. Amyl nitrite works by relaxing blood vessels, which can relieve chest pain associated with the condition. However, it has also been used recreationally as a club drug due to its euphoric effects and ability to enhance sexual experiences. Chronic use of amyl nitrite can lead to addiction, cognitive impairment, and other health risks.